Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to enable autoplay videos on Facebook when using it on your PC. If your videos aren't playing automatically and you want a smoother browsing experience, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, find and click on Display and Accessibility. This is where Facebook keeps several visual and playback-related settings. After that, click on Accessibility Settings. This section gives you more control over how content behaves while you're browsing. Next, look for the option called Video and Motion. Click on it to open the video settings. Now you'll see the autoplay option. If autoplay is currently turned off, simply switch it on. Once enabled, videos will automatically start playing as you scroll through your feed. And that's it. From now on, you won't need to manually click on videos. They'll play instantly as you come across them. If you ever feel like autoplay is using too much data or becoming distracting, you can always come back to the same settings and turn it off again. That's all for this guide. If this helped you, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this to get the most out of your apps and social media settings.